Okay, so now we're going to talk about what do you do if your scorecard looks like this. As you can see, we have our scores in, but this dude just didn't bother to put any scores in. Most likely, what that means is he was absent, didn't bother showing up, didn't get a sub. So, what do you do in that situation? I'll show you. We'll get rid of this. It's very easy. Click on the guy that didn't show up. Ghost. He was ghost. He was gone. He wasn't there. Are you sure you want to do that? Yes, I do. All done with that then. See how that works? It automatically knew and it moved on. What if two people were missing? Well, you would just put them down as a ghost as well. Very easy, very simple. There's a lot of nuances with ghosts, but that is all set up on the back end before the league starts, depending on the flavor of the league and what they want to do. So that's all you have to worry about.